After months of rumors, Samsung has finally unveiled the Galaxy S20 FE. Let's take a look at it in this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you are subscribed and enable the bell icon. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It has 120Hz refresh rate and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and has an optical fingerprint sensor. The 5G model is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and the 4G model has an Exynos 990 SoC. It has 4500 mAh battery that supports fast charging. The phone comes with a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies. On the rear side, there are a 12 megapixel primary sensor that supports optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and an 8MP telephoto lens which offers 3 times optical zoom and 30x space zoom. The phone runs on One UI 2.0 based on Android 10. It has support for dual SIM and has an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. The phone has 6GB and 8GB RAM options and 128GB to 56GB storage option. It comes in 6 color variants: Cloud Red, Cloud Orange, Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud Navy and Cloud White. The pricing starts at $699 for the 5G model. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and share it to your friends. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen. And thanks for watching.